Cumming, a city with vibrant projects and a strong sense of community, deserves a waste management partner that understands its unique needs. And when it comes to hassle-free and efficient dumpster rentals in Cumming, Georgia, look no further. Welcome to North Point Dumpsters. At North Point Dumpsters, we take pride in being your go-to solution for all your dumpster rental requirements. Whether it's a small home cleanout or a substantial construction project, we offer a variety of dumpster sizes to cater to your specific needs. We believe in making your projects run smoothly. That's why we provide timely delivery and efficient pickup services. Our experienced and dedicated team ensures a hassle-free experience from start to finish. Are you ready to make your waste management concerns disappear? Contact North Point Dumpsters today at 470-983-1028 or visit our website at http://northpointdumpsters.com to explore our hassle-free rental process. Book your dumpster rental and experience the convenience and reliability you deserve. Dumpsters, your trusted partner for dumpster rentals in Cumming, Georgia. Thank you for choosing North Point Dumpsters as your waste management partner. We're here to simplify your projects and elevate your experiences.